Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the use of align command in AutoCAD. So let us begin our tutorial. First make a circle with C command. Then replace circle at the center of the screen. Now arrange it with the move command. For the alignment we have to make another circle with the same technique. Afterwards, we have to align a smaller circle on the bigger one. Now press AL on your keyboard, then hit the enter key to activate the align command. Select the smaller circle with the mouse, and do the single click on the left key for selection. So, specify the base point on a smaller circle and select the middle point. Now select the base point of the bigger circle, then a line appears after the selection. Here, this line represents the direction of alignment. Then press enter key again. Congratulations, you successfully aligned the circle. I hope you will like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.